Pleasant morning to all of you. In this activity, I'm going to present my TED Talk about the concept of criminology and criminal justice. Let's tackle first with the meaning of criminology. What is criminology? Criminology is the scientific study of crimes and criminals and the motivations for criminal behavior. The interest is centered on the individual or criminal as somebody who is different from the rest because of personal or social deficiencies have led him or he to commit a criminal act. In addition to the definition of criminology, Kurt Bartol and Ann Bartol describe criminology as multidisciplinary study of crimes that involves a wide area of knowledge about crimes and criminals, including psychology, sociology, anthropology, biology, neurology, political science, and economics, and others. The nature and scope of criminology includes the process of making. The nature and scope of criminology includes the process of making laws, of breaking laws, and reacting toward the breaking of laws. The objective of criminology is the development of a body, general principles, and other types of knowledge regarding this process of law, crime, and treatment. Otherwise, the nature and scope of criminology is to make a solution and prevent crimes to happen. By the field of studying and investigating what is the cause of the crime and what may originate the crimes to happen. In addition, according to the Section 4 of the Laws, Republic Act 11131, implementing the rules and regulation affirm that criminology refers to the scientific study of crimes, criminals, victims, and criminal behavior. It also deals with the prevention of crime. Before we proceed through the concept of criminal justice, let's talk first what is criminologist. According to Section 22 of the Republic Act 6506, define criminology. A criminologist, any person who is graduate of the degree of criminology, who passed the examination for criminologist and is registered as such by the board or board examiners for criminologists. Criminal justice simply defined as the system of delivery of justice to those who have committed a crime. The criminal justice system is a machinery of the state or government which enforces the rules of conduct necessary to protect life and property and maintain peace and order. It is the process in the community by which crimes are investigated and the person suspected thereof is taken into custody of the police, prosecuted in a court, and punished if found guilty. Provision being made for the corrections and rehabilitation. Criminal justice system includes 5 pillars. First, law enforcement pillars. Second, prosecution pillars. Third, court pillars. Fourth, correction pillars. Fifth, the community pillars. Law enforcement pillar consists mainly of the officers and personnel to the Philippine National Police. Their work consists of the prevention and control of crimes, enforcement of laws, and effecting to arrest of offenders, including the conduct of lawful searches and seizure, to gather necessary evidence so that a complaint may be filed with the prosecution office. Prosecution pillar. Prosecution pillar is composed of the National Prosecution Service of the Department of Justice, or DOJ, Office of the Ombudsman, and the Public Attorney's Office. While the focus of these pillars is the speedy disposition of cases, 15, its principal task is the investigation of criminal complaints emanating from the community and the law enforcement agencies, and bringing these complaints to their successful prosecution in the judicial system. The prosecution pillars conduct preliminary investigations of cases filed in the prosecutor's office and prosecutes cases filed in the court against alleged offenders after probable cause is established. Court pillars. Court pillars adjudicates cases and renders judgment. The goal of the court pillars is not to adjudicate cases but to do so in accordance with the rule of law and without sacrificing the quality of justice. Correction pillars. Correction pillars are the jails and prisons administered by the Bureau of Corrections, or BUCOR, the Bureau of Jail Management and Criminology, and the local government units with regards to the provincial and sub-provincial jails. The correction pillars may be classified into two: constitution-based and community-based correction. Community pillar is composed of constitution, such as the Department of Social Welfare and Development, Commission on Human Rights, National Commission on Indigenous Peoples, Public Attorney's Office, barangays, civic organizations, and non-governmental organizations. The importance of the community pillar cannot be emphasized in its own manner. It ideally participates into main responsive rules of the CGS. First, that of crime preventions, and second, that of victim prevention. Criminal justice